Hi. Hi everyone. I just want to. I was wondering what it is like if I videotape myself with my computer and an iPhone and yeah, you see what I'm trying to do? Okay, sorry. Okay, it's my iPhone. Okay, so I need to. I don't make sense to you, huh? Okay, so I gotta videotape myself with my iPad. I set it, and it's my computer, my iPad, looking, oops, I need something to hold this. Well, what's that? What angle? This and this. Like this. Like this. Oh, maybe this way. Okay, I got it. Right? My iPad is, yeah, looking at my computer, and also my iPhone is looking at my this way. Yeah. This way? How about that? No, how about this? No! Okay, this way. Oh, let's call this one, like this. Yep. And then video. Go. Okay. And I want to call my FaceTime. I answer. Wait, I answer from here? This sounds like Yoko Ono. Yoko. That's it. Okay, bye. Turn this off. Like that. Am I done here?